Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Tesla Model Y cabin air filter. First, you'll need to locate the passenger footwell area. Make sure you have a trim removal tool and a new filter ready. It's crucial to power down your vehicle completely before you start any work to ensure safety and prevent any electrical issues. This simple maintenance helps keep your cabin air fresh. Now let's access the old filter. Using your trim removal tool, carefully unclip the passenger footwell panel. You might find a few electrical connectors attached. Gently disconnect these. Once the panel is free, you'll see the filter housing. There are typically two small screws holding its cover in place, so remove those to expose the filters. With the housing open, you'll see the two old filters stacked inside. Carefully pull them straight out. Before inserting the new ones, pay close attention to the airflow arrows on the side of your new filters. These arrows should point towards the front of the vehicle. Slide the new filters in smoothly, ensuring they sit flush within the housing. Finally, it's time to put everything back together. Replace the filter housing cover and secure it with its two screws. Reconnect any electrical harnesses you detached from the footwell panel. Then, carefully align and clip the passenger footwell panel back into its original position. Power on your Tesla and check that the air conditioning works properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.